how do I go about configuring knock detection and knock control without audio knock detection? Can you tell me everything that could cause false knock? Okay, my answer to this is I would not recommend trying to set up knock control without audio knock detection. And I know it's going to require a bit of an outlay for knock detection equipment. You can get this really cheaply these days. Probably the cheapest that I've come across is the Tuner Nerd knock monitor. Off the top of my head, I think that product is somewhere around the $200 mark. So you consider that sort of outlay versus the risk of damaging an engine, which could be thousands of dollars. For me, that's an absolute no-brainer. The reason I say that audio knock detection is really an essential step is we need to validate the knock control strategy that we're setting up. In other words, we're basically just telling the ECU where the noise floor is, above which knock will be considered to be occurring. So we're sort of a little bit blind if we don't have an idea and a way of actually monitoring and knowing when knock is occurring. We can't validate and know that the ECU is accurately detecting knock while ignoring background noise. So that's my answer to that one. What could cause false knock? A myriad of things really. So in a factory engine management system, false knock, a factory engine management system already has a knock control strategy that is calibrated and tuned to the stock engine noise profile. So when we modify the engine and fit forged pistons which have looser piston to cylinder wall clearances, they're basically going to be noisier in the block. Likewise, we also might have more valve train noise. Maybe we've gone to a solid lifter compared to a factory hydraulic. Basically all of these things will affect the mechanical noise profile of the engine, and that can be enough in some instances to trip the factory knock control strategy. In the aftermarket with the likes of your Haltech, this will normally come from an improperly calibrated knock control strategy. I must admit I have not had the best of success with the Haltech Elite's knock control strategy. In my opinion, it is probably not the most sophisticated in the aftermarket ECU world, unfortunately. That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy who wants to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about performance engine building and EFI tuning, and you'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.